Sewing box pleats may feel like a big deal, especially for beginners, but I am here to show you the easiest way to go about it. Hey guys, in this video I will be showing you a very easy way to calculate, fold and sew box pleats, either as a standalone skirt or an attachment to the lower part of a garment. So here is the upper bodice that I will be attaching the box pleats to, so that I can have a full garment. Now, as you can see that this upper bodice has dots and lines, 6 lines to be precise. And I want my box pleats to align well with these lines on this bodice. So here is what I will do. I will first decide how many box pleats I want on the garments. For this project, I want 6 pleats in total, so that it can balance with the lines on the bodice. And I want each box pleat to be 10 inches wide. Now, I will multiply 6 by 10, and that gives me 60 inches. Actually, what informed my choice of size and number of pleats is the amount of fabric I'm working with, and particularly because of the lines on the bodice. So now, I will measure round the waistline of this bodice, keeping in mind that I have about 3 inches zipper allowance included, and what I have is 41 inches. The actual waist I'm working with is 38 inches if I don't include the zipper allowance. So I will put the zipper allowance aside for now and then work with 38 inches. I want 6 box pleats, and I want each pleat to be about 10 inches wide. I will just multiply 6 by 10, and that gives me 60 inches. And if I add 3 inches zipper allowance to that, I will have 63 inches, right? Now, I will add my waist measurement, in this case 38 inches, and the zipper allowance I set aside earlier, which is 3 inches. So I will add 63 inches and 41 inches, and that gives me 104 inches. And that's the amount of fabric I need to make my box pleat on this bodice. The next thing to do is to get my fabric, which is 104 inches wide. Now I will find the middle of my fabric and notch it. And also the middle of the bodice, and also notch that too. Then I will put the notched middle point together and pin it. After which, I will go to the side and measure the zipper allowance, and then pin that out like so. This is because the zipper allowance will not be part of the box pleats. So now, from the point beginning the zipper allowance, this point, I will pin my fabric together till I get to the first dot line. Now from this first dot line, I will measure 10 inches, which is my preferred width for the box pleat. And I will bring this point to join the dot line like so. Not overlapping, but just really close to it, and I will pin it down. So I already have one box pleat. I will then press it down in the middle like so, and that's it. One box pleat is made. Let's move on to create the second pleat. This is the second dot, as you can see. I will pin the two fabrics together on the dot line, and I will measure 10 inches being my preferred width of the box pleat, and I will bring it to the dot like so. Then I will fold down the middle to form the box pleat like this. So you see, this is exactly how to create box pleats. I will just go ahead to do the same process until I have 3 box pleats aligning well with the lines on the bodies. Now, I have reached the center point of the bodice. I will move to the other side of the fabric and then do the same thing I did earlier, and I will pin the remaining 3 box pleats till I get to the midpoint again. Now I am done pinning everything down, and this is what it's looking like. So I will take it to the sewing machine and then stitch it down. Alright guys, I have sewn it down and this is what it looks like, just as I wanted all the lines to align. So I will give it a good press and I am good to go. Basically, this is just the process of calculating and making a box pleat. Guys, please don't forget to ask your questions and also drop your comments and suggestions in the comment section, and I will respond to them as soon as I can. Also, please like and subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you are notified as soon as new videos drop. Alright guys, till the next time you will hear from me, be kind to yourself, be kind to others, and have yourself some fabulous time.